tutakubali.
Riwruok machiwo hola e piny mangima mano IFC osingo mar chiwo hola ne piny Kenya maina bang' twak mabende nobedo e kindgi koda jatend piny migosi William Ruto mabende nitiere e gwenge kata boma mar Washington DC kama bende obedo kotwak kod jata tije ka riwruok mar IFC mabende koro osingo mar chiwo ne piny Kenya hola mamoko mar medo kelo dongruok makare kendo medo siro chenro mag dongruok e pacho kae. Piny owacho chano uso 15% mag pok kata shares mage mantiere kambi mar Safaricom ne kambi mar Vodacom Group Limited pogo romo shillings bilion 244.5. Okang' makamano dhi weyo sirikal kod 20% kende mag pok kata shares mage kowuok e 35 ka okang' makamano osechako nyuolo paro mopogore ka jood bura kata jaod bura ma Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro wacho ni sirikal okosenyiso ikruok makare mar bero chumi emomiyo gitano uso pok magi mantiere kambino ma Safaricom.
You can be sure before elections they'll have sold the other stake. Some of it they'll actually sell to NSSF, because you don't need to have been inside government for you to learn how the government is thinking. The government is lazy to grow the economy, because when you grow the economy, it is when you get revenues to support the growth of infrastructure. And since there is no growth in the economy, so we are now looking for shortcuts. And I can tell you for sure, this is just the beginning. They'll divest even from the other stake, because no one wants to bother. Hakuna mtu anataka kuchoka kufikiria. Naona Safaricom iko pesa uza. You now hear about selling a stake in KCB where the government has around 19%. Very soon you'll also hear the energy sector. And that's not even the problem. The problem is that we are selling these assets for a song. There is no way the government can purport to sell Safaricom at a valuation of less than 2.5 trillion, other than if there is self-interest or incompetence on the side of government.